Hi guys, I'm Rebecca and these are my reviews and I have some wine to talk to you about. So these are from a company called Wine Insiders. It is an online wine shop that has a ton of different varietals, regions. You've got bubbly, reds, whites. They even have a fair amount of sweet wines, which is great. They have magnums, they have gift sets, they have all sorts of things for you to choose from. So what I have is the Essentials wine box, Essentials Entertaining, something like that. It's 2 whites, a bubbly, and then 3 reds, and they're all very different, which I very much appreciated because a lot of times, especially with wine clubs, a lot of the wines are just sort of run-of-the-mill, taste good, but generic, and these were all very different from each other. They do have a wine club where you can sign up, and in fact, they have a pretty good deal where it's like $89 for 15 bottles for your first box, and then for your second box, they give you a corkscrew. So if you do want the club, I think that that is a good option. As far as the pricing, it's pretty much the same as most wine clubs, where most of the bottles are in between, you know, 10 and 25, most of them around 15, 17, that kind of a range, depending on if you want reds or whites. And you can say, I would like all reds or all whites or a mix of reds and whites. Mostly if you want specific things, you're gonna have to just shop online, which I think might be the better way to go if you are looking for specific things, if you are wanting to learn about specific types or just explore different things. If you just want wine, then get the wine club. And the site does have all of these different things about how to drink your wine, what to serve it with, decanting, keeping it at the right temperature, different ways to enjoy your wine, you know, just lots of information. And then of course each bottle has a little blurb about the type of grape and, you know, all of the stuff that you would want to know about what you're drinking. They also have a section where they've got Martha Stewart favorites and customer favorites and staff picks, which I think is nice because if you don't necessarily know what you're looking for, you might be like, oh hey, everybody seems to really like this one, I'll try that. And like I said, a lot of gift options. So you've got all of these different curated boxes, like the one that I have, but they have a ton more of different ones of like California wines, or just like a half case of bubbly, or a half case of sweet, or you know, just whatever. They have a ton of different ones. So this would be a good place to get gifts. Plus right now, since we're all trapped at home, so I know for me with this case, what I did was I've been having weekly Zoom meetings with my sisters. And so I would open a bottle every Thursday to drink while I was chatting with my sisters. And it's been really fun to do that. And I like that we have a set date and time so that I have something to look forward to, and we all get together and we drink wine and we talk about what we're drinking. And you know, it's just a fun thing to do, and I would highly encourage you guys to do that with your friends and family. And these wines were all really good, except for this one. I didn't like this one. So I did film myself tasting these in real time so you can kind of get an idea of what I thought of each of the wines. So in case you are curious what I thought about this specific box, I have that for you. But as far as just the company is concerned, I feel like it's a nice online wine shop and a good place to get a lot of different types of wines and to learn about new wines and learn about how to handle wine, that kind of thing. And then if you do want the wine club, you know, it's a decent price, and so far I like the wines, most of them anyway. Anyway, let me show you what I thought of all of these. Okay, I am going to try the first of the 6 wines. This one is a red, Superior, Toro Loco, Tinto Superior. This one is a screw top. I might need to breathe. I'm not decanting it or anything. Let's give it a taste, shall we? It's good. It's a little tart, actually. I wasn't expecting that. Whew, my mouth is watering. It's a little bit tart, but not in a bad way. It's kind of fruity, but not like overly so. Okay, I'm gonna go about my day and I'll check back in and let you know what I think of this.
This is tasty. The lipstick, not so much, but the wine in and of itself is really good. I like it a lot.
Okay, so this is the same Toro Loco wine. Colin really liked it last night, which I was excited about because he can be picky sometimes when it comes to wine. It's still really good. It's that, it's that kind of tart, fruity, but good, you know, easy drinking. Sorry. Yay, coronavirus. This is Modernist Dry Riesling. I get nervous about dry Rieslings because Rieslings are supposed to be sweet. Hang on. You gonna give it a shot?
It's okay. You can get used to it.
You think?
Yeah, I could get used to that. I would drink another glass of that. Yeah, I'll have that for dinner. Not for dinner.
For dinner. You wanted to know what we were having for dinner tonight. Okay, Colin said that he'll drink the Riesling, so I opened the Chardonnay. This is Racine Chardonnay. Let's give this a go. I do normally prefer red, so, you know, don't take my word for the whites. Smells good. Yeah, that tastes like Chardonnay. It's actually really good. It's kind of on the lighter side. I like it. Yay, see? I think, you know, I've had dry Riesling before and not been a fan. It's like, I don't know, whatever. Anyway, the Chardonnay is good. Okay, I'm doing wine night tonight with my sisters via Zoom. So I'm going to decant my last bottle. This one is Fox and the Flock Pinot Noir, a bright California Pinot Noir that proves you don't have to blend in. Be unique, drink the Fox. Okay, all right, so I'm gonna decant this in my cool decanter. So pretty, right? It smelled very yeasty as I was pouring it. Okay, let's see. Let's give it a little sample. It's pretty light in color, like see-through. Smells better. I think decanting it was the right move before I even knew. Ooh, that's quite fruity. Not heavy at all, light and fruity. It's quite nice. Let's make a good like summer red kind of a thing. I have a feeling too that this one, as it sits out and continues to aerate, that it will get better and better. I really do believe that. Also, the more I drink, the better it tastes. So I'm drinking wine with my sisters right now. You can see them on Zoom, and I'm drinking this one, which is, how do we say this?
Les Chartrons.
Yeah, I have no idea. Anyway, it's a Bordeaux, Les Chartrons, according to my sisters. And it's good. I'm enjoying it. It's, you know, a nice wine. It's not too jammy or generic tasting, but I do feel like it would go over well with a lot of different palates. So far, I'm liking this. So I've been doing these weekly meetings with my sisters where we get on Zoom and we drink wine and chat, and it's super duper fun. So this week is my final bottle from this box, and this is the George Phillips Cellars Signature Reserve Brut. Got some wonderful sparkling. I'm super excited to try this. So let me open this. Woo! I love that sound. It's like an instant party. Okay, I have these champagne flutes that we got at this fundraiser thing that I don't know if I like them, but you know why I don't like them? Because they hardly hold any champagne at all. They're pretty, and they're probably like real crystal or something. I don't know. It was a fancy fundraiser. This was like the only thing we could afford. Anyway, let's give this a go, shall we? Love my bubblies. That's good. Very appley, maybe pear. It's a little bit tart. Not sweet. I mean, it is a Brut. This is nice. This is lovely. This is like right up my alley. I don't like sweet drinks. I know my husband really prefers like an Asti or Prosecco even, you know, something sweeter, Lambrusco. Is that what it is? Lambrusco? Anyway, this is lovely. I like this quite a lot. This would be a really good one for mixing with things too. You know, if you wanted to add a liqueur, I love doing that with champagnes, making champagne cocktails. In fact, I might grab my pomegranate liqueur to add to it. So anyway, this is awesome. So you can see I definitely enjoyed the wines, except for this one. This one was a dud, but I think that's just me. You know, that's a matter of taste, not necessarily that it was a bad wine. Dry Riesling doesn't do it for me. So anyway, I will leave all of the information about Wine Insiders in the description box if you want to check that out. I don't think I have any sort of discount code yet, but if I do get one, that's where it will be. So, all right, well, thank you guys so much for watching, and please give this video a thumbs up if you enjoyed it, share it with your friends. Don't forget to subscribe to my channel if you haven't already, and I will see you in my next video. Bye!